Alright guys, I just wanted to make this fun little video exploring the doldrums that are the other Bitcoins. There's about 25 coins here I wanted to look at, all with the name Bitcoin in them. And most of these obviously are complete scams. This is just kind of a fun video. Are any of these worth investing into with Bitcoin's current price? It's very hard for a lot of us to acquire even one full Bitcoin with it trading up above 16,000 or whatever it is right now. I just wanted to go over, 25 of the more popular other Bitcoins, if you will. And first I want to show, obviously, we know the king, #1 overall, Bitcoin right there. Wanted to show that, just get it out of the way. That is Bitcoin. That is BTC, the real deal. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. The first one to look at, 0x Bitcoin, ranked outside of the top 1,000 in terms of market cap, currently trading at right around 14 cents. It is down 93% from when it came onto the crypto market in late 2017, catching that little bull season there with the altcoins, and it did pump, kind of pumped in a weird spot. January of 2022, it looks like it received its biggest pump back up to or right up to around $3. But obviously, this is a sad story with these other Bitcoins. Next, we're looking at a complete meme, baby Bitcoin, currently valued at 0.00000000000. I don't know. I lost track. Whatever, guys. It's worth like 1/1,000,000th or 1/1,000,000,000th of a cent, maybe? Is that what that is? You can see this is just a total meme. I'm not even sure where you could store this, honestly. I'm guessing it's only available to swap on PancakeSwap. That's probably the only place you could get it. Maybe some other lower end exchanges, things like that. It is just a meme. Do I think this... I mean, it is weird when I was looking up all of the, different Bitcoins. There's very little meme Bitcoins that are taken seriously. You would think with Bitcoin being the king, there would be a meme token or a meme coin that would be, the coup de grace of meme cryptocurrencies, but it's just not there. Next, we have Bitcoin 2. So this is one that, you think it does kind of make sense. Bitcoin keeps getting more and more expensive. At some point, we expect it to be worth 6 figures. Does it make sense if it's too expensive for people to start buying up Bitcoin 2 or BTC 2? It is currently inside the top 1,000 in market cap at 729, value just under 50 cents. Its price action is real bad. So the #1 thing I see, I look for that 2021 bull run, and I do not see any type of pump from BTC2. But this is one I would... The other thing with this, it's available nowhere. It's on some random rogue, like one exchange when I looked it up, the overall markets for it. So this just another total scam. But it's kind of the idea of, you would think if Bitcoin gets so expensive, maybe people flock to Bitcoin too. That's kind of what cryptocurrency is. Next, we have Bitcoin Cash. Oh, yes. So Bitcoin Cash down 75% from when it debuted at right now at $100. We all remember the glory days of Bitcoin Cash, the green Bitcoin back in 2017. It pumped almost to $4,000. If you guys remember in the early days of Coinbase, it was Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash that you could buy. Those were the big four. And obviously, this cryptocurrency has really had a tough time. That is the death signal when you see the 2018 all-time high versus the 2021 all-time high, and it is not even close. Normally, you want to create higher all-time highs. It looks like it pumped... I don't even know what it pumped to, maybe $1,000 when its all-time high back in the 2017 bull run was 4,000. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Does it ever have a chance of coming back? Probably not. Is it a smart investment? In my opinion, let's stay away, folks. We've got hard-earned money here. We don't need to be investing it into things like this. Next, we've got Bitcoin 21. Oh my goodness. So Bitcoin 21 comes on, and it has a nice little run. It has a nice little alt season there. What is that, early 2017? What a weird time for it to pump. It didn't pump in early 2018. It pumped in early 2017. And since then, it's not even worth a cent at this point. It is up 41% from its debut, but it's mainly overall down. Anyone that somehow bought this coin is probably losing significant money at this point, ranked outside of the top 2,000 in market cap. Next, we have Bitcoin Adult, whatever that is, and there is the rug pull. Of course, we had to get a few of these because these are altcoins. Just a total rug pull down 99%. Nothing much to say on that one. Bitcoin Adult, it's going to make a comeback. It'll make a comeback, don't worry. Next, we have Bitcoin Asia. I like the logo. It's a nice little sunny logo. If you look at it, currently valued at maybe 7/100ths of a cent. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I think that's what it is, 7/100ths of a cent. Its price action is just grotesque. Obviously, we're going to want to stay away from it. Next, we have Bitcoin Asset, worth 1/10 of a cent, down 77% from its debut in really it debuted, just this year. So this is a newer coin on the market, currently ranked outside the top 8,000 in market cap. It's got great potential. I'm just kidding. But next we have Bitcoin Atom. Oh, this is a great one. See guys, this is why people, people don't take cryptocurrency seriously. You see something like this. It debuts at $1,200 and it's currently worth 2 cents. So it's down 100.00%. Bitcoin Atom. I love the logo. Beautiful. Next we have Bitcoin Classic. So this is interesting. You take a look at Ethereum Classic compared to Bitcoin Classic. It's crazy. Ethereum Classic is a legitimate coin. This is just crap. It did actually do something, at least, unlike most of these Bitcoin knockoffs. It did something during the bull run in April, April of 2021, and it's trading right now at around a cent. It is down. What did it pump to, 70 cents? Oh, that's not too bad. That's pretty typical for an altcoin if it gets caught up in a pump during a bull run to go from, whatever it was. What was it at, 7 cents? Oh, it was at 7 cents? Or was that its high early on? I think that's what it was high was. So it pumped it looks like from 1 cent to 70 cents during the bull run. Next, we have Bitcoin City Coin. So yes, it's a beautiful graph here. And B City is its overall name. It's outside of the top 8,000 in terms of market cap there. Bitcoin Confidential. Looks like a privacy token maybe. Down 99%. Since its debut, and what did it debut at? 1/10 of a cent is what it debuted at, and now it's worth nothing. Bitcoin Diamond. Guys, it is a little bit surprising that Bitcoin Diamond didn't catch on. By the way, does anyone know what happened to Bitcoin Dark? Because I remember that coin being at least inside the top 100 back when I would check the markets, crypto market cap, Coinbase market cap, whatever it is. Coin market cap is what it is. I used to check it back in 2017 and Bitcoin Dark was there, but I haven't seen it. But this is Bitcoin Diamond trading at 12 cents. It debuted at $69 and it's down 99 cents. And it did have a little pump. Looks like it did during the massive altcoin bull run mid-2021. It might have pumped up to maybe $1, if I'm being nice, maybe a few dollars. Bitcoin Diamond at 12 cents right now. Bitcoin God. It debuts at $109. It comes on the market during the alt season in 2018. And it has horrific price action. It's at $2 or almost $3 right now. Bitcoin God. Bitcoin File. This is another one that does have a very good logo. I do like the logo. And you can see just crap on top of crap. Here is Bitcoin Gold. So we've got Bitcoin Diamond, and now we've got Bitcoin Gold. I mean, what are the price actions on these? Yeah, so it's down 97%. It did pump during the alt season, and you know what? It was a dead coin. This is actually how a lot of altcoins look. If you look at their price action from 2017 to 2022, they look completely dead from like 2018 to 2021, and then they pump up, and you kind of see a lot more price action and a lot more volume recently. It's the same way with a lot of altcoins. Right now, Bitcoin Gold at $14. I just think there's just no reason to throw money into anything like this. Bitcoin Legend, almost up to a cent at least. It's had a nice run recently. Wow. So people are buying Bitcoin Legend because it's the holiday season, because it's Christmas. They want to get their relatives a little Bitcoin Legend as a gift. Certainly get them $100 worth or something. I was telling someone that I could give them 100 million baby Doge. That's what I was telling someone. It's like 5 cents. And then they're like, that's why no one takes cryptocurrency seriously. Here's one, Bitcoin SV, ranked 41st. And you take a look at it, it debuts in 2018. It has a very nice pump to $400. Actually, 2 pumps. It has a pump looks like somewhere early 2020, and then the alt season in mid-2021 goes up to almost $400. Bitcoin SV. Could this, guys, the strategy to investing into one of these knockoff Bitcoins would be, if Bitcoin becomes such an expensive asset, we're talking about like 6 figures, something like that, to where even if you throw $1,000 into it, you're only getting like 0.01 coins. The strategy would be to buy up one of these other Bitcoins, and maybe people that can invest into Bitcoin and actually get like 1 coin or 2 coins, because people like seeing that. They don't want to see a decimal. They don't want to see 0.014562. They want to see 5.3 Bitcoins or whatever. So it would be like, this is like the next best thing. That would be the strategy, in my opinion. Bitcoin private. And it debuts at $62, and it's done nothing. It did not have a pump at all, although it's at least had more price action, but it is officially dead. Bitcoin Vault, ranked outside, almost 4,000th in market cap. BTCV is its abbreviation, and it has done nothing. It did nothing during the alt season in April of 2021. It just died, apparently. It pumped up. Wait, it was worth 500? Oh my goodness. What a so it debuts at $25, and it pumps pretty much immediately to almost 500. Amazing. Bitcoin HD, high resolution apparently. BHD, abbreviation, and it's a total scam. It's down 99%. We've got Bitcoin Metaverse, which was a total rug pull, down 99.93%. It debuted during the whole NFT, or actually it debuted in 2022, not 2021. Looks like it debuted in April of 2022, so it's a newer coin there. Bitcoin Green, that's beautiful. You want to save the environment, and what happened to it? We're trying to save the environment, and our reward is a negative 99%. Unbelievable. And then these are just other Bitcoins that you can see that unfortunately there's not enough, I don't know if it's market cap or whatever, but that you cannot get a graph for some of these on the actual Coin Market Cap app. Like, there's no graph available. Bitcoin Galaxy, Bitcoin Hot, Bitcoin Interest, Bitcoin Monster, Bitcoin Networks, Bitcoin Planet, Bitcoin Platinums. Oh, there's so many to invest into. You know what we need? We need a true Dollar General version of Bitcoin, like an official version, and it needs to be called Bitcoin Lite. I know they'll say, oh, that's what Litecoin is and stuff. It's the alternative. But guys, Litecoin is way too expensive. I'm talking about Let's get something, call it Bitcoin Lite. You need the name Bitcoin into it. Call it Bitcoin Lite, make it 1 cent, and then we all buy it, and it's just a scam token, and we all, whatever. But it's just, that's what cryptocurrency is at this point. I would love to see something like that. Of course, this is not financial advice. I lost trillions and trillions of dollars in the last quarter and whatever, yada, yada, yada. You have to say all that stuff on here. But either way, guys, I just wanted to look at 25 different Bitcoins in the cryptocurrency market. That's going to do it for this video. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Link to that's always in the description.